Hi friends, welcome back to Team Education. In this video, we are solving a problem on application of differential equation. Given problem is, if population is increasing exponentially at the rate of 2% per year, what will be the percentage increases over a period of 10 years? Friends, you observe by the given problem, we can say population increasing is nothing but it is belongs to natural growth or natural decay. Decay is nothing but it will be decrease, but your population is increasing, so the problem is belongs to natural growth. The natural growth, what is the formula we have? N is equal to C e to the power of plus kt. The natural decay, N is equal to C e to the power of minus kt, where t is a time here, N is a substance or amount. Friends, you see here what they are given. Population is increases 2% per year. You see, I am considering N be the substance, increases 2%. 2% it is increasing for the year, 1 year, for 1 year. Okay. Now, if T is 1, N is increasing 2%. What is original N? Are they given here? Originally, population is how much? No, they are not given. So let us consider the population N was initially means time is 0. I am considering as 100. Population 100 I am considering. Sir, why you are considering N is 100? Means you can take a N value 50, N value 1000, or else N value 1, whatever it may be. You can consider anything. So this is the original I am considering. This population is originally 100 I am considering. Then what will happen after 1 year means it is increases 2%. 100 2% means for 100% is nothing but how much? 102. For 50 means 51. For 1000 means 1020. Yes or no? Like this. You have to take. So you can take any one of them, which this is not an issue. I am considering N as 100. Is it clear for everyone? N as 100. Right. Next, what they are given information, what will be the percentage increases over the period of 10 years. So time they are given, when t is at 10 years, what will be the increases? What will be percentage increases? Percentage increases I want. Okay. Now, how to solve this problem is we have formula. Which formula? N is equal to C e to the power of kt. Now step 1, you see friends. Step 1. In the step 1, I am considering first formula as equation number 1. The step 1, what we have? This is step 1. Do this, consider step 2, step 3. I am using these values for the step 1. N is equal to 100. Initially, population N is equal to 100. Now you substitute these values in this equation 1, then you will get C value. See, 100 is equal to C, don't know, e to the power of K, also don't know, into T is equal to 0, which is implies 100 is equal to C into e power 0 means 1. Therefore, what you are getting now? E is equal to 100. Okay, friends. Next, go for step 2. In the step 2, you will get the K value. Step 2. N is equal to, we have N is equal to 102. Nothing but here 2% increases. Then the population will be 102 for the 1 year. Okay, and you have one more value. What is that? C is equal to 100. Now you substitute these all values in equation number 1. So do you know N? Yes. What is the value? 102 is equal to C is 100 e to the power of K. What is the K here? Don't know. So K is K. What is the T? 1. 1 year means 1 only I am considering. Now K into 1 means 1. From this what you can say? E to the power of K is equal to 102 by 100. 102 by 100. Simply you can write this as 1.02. E power K value is 1.02. From this you can write K also. Okay. Otherwise you can leave. It's not an issue. Okay. If you want, you can write a K value as K is equal to log of 1.2. Okay. Now you got in the second step K value. Now I want N value. Now step 3, friends. Step 3. The step 3, n I need to find out. I don't know the value of, I don't know the value of n. I know only t value. So t is equal to 10. 10 years I have. Do you know what is the c value? Yes, c and k values I know. K is here log 1.2. K is equal to log of 1. K is equal to log of 1.02. Now you substitute these all values in the equation. N I need to find. N is n only fixed n. Now what is the c? C is 100. Next, what about e power k? E power k is there. E power k can I write directly 102 by 100? Yes, I can write. Means I can write 1.02 directly. 1.02 whole power t. T is here 10. I can write like that. Otherwise, I can do, instead of e power k, I am writing e to the power of k. What is the k? Log of 1 point into t. What is the t here you have? T is 10. So I am writing 10 is here. If I want to simplify this, 100 e to the power of, this is, see friends, actually m log n type. So you will get log m power n. This is, I can also write as log 10 log of 1.02. And again, this is equal to 100 into to the power of log of 1 point to the power of 10. So e log getting cancelled. Then you will have 100 into 1.0 whole to the power of 10. Now you simplify this. Then you will get a, I am calculating now. You also calculate what you are getting. Please verify with my answer. 100, 1 point to the power of 10. I am verifying friends. Answer is here we have 121, 121 nearby 121.899. 121.899. This is after 10 years the substance value. So now you tell me what will be the percentage is increased here. Actually originally is 100. After 10 years what happened? 121.899. Therefore n is increasing 21.89 percentage. Okay, is it clear friends? Right. Friends, you see here I have written e to the power of log 1 log of 1.02 into 10. You can also write directly e to the power of k is equal to 1.02. If you written, what will happen, you see. Up to this is correct, but I am explaining that one also. N is equal to 100 into c e power kt. What is e power k you have? 1.02. 1.02 whole to the power of t. T, same value you are getting. Okay for everyone? Even if you take an n as a t, next after 1 year it is increased to 2% means it will be 51. So in this case 51 by 50 is also 1.02. Even if you taken 10, even if you taken a 1000 also, you will get same answer. So how much increased percentage here? 21.8. And after 10 years what will be the n actually? 121.899. Thank you for watching this video.